Hey, bro, you ain't gonna believe this. I made like $300 last week shopping for Instacart. It's crazy, my man. Doesn't surprise me. But honestly, I made about 2K last week shopping for Instacart. What you mean, homie? You best get your level up, man. I get so sick of these part-time shoppers trying to tell me how much money they made. Bro, $300, that's my daily quota. You do? Yeah, man, but like, to each their own, really. But me, I'm gonna keep grinding and hustling. Oh, yeah, but I go to school and I work like damn near full time during the week, bro. I ain't got time for full time shopping. Went ahead and grabbed the summertime Timbs. I don't even wear boots like that, but I'm gonna lace these boys up. No, stop. Don't even tell me nothing else, man. I'm about to quit. Yeah, man, look at them. They clean. I got them out there in the sun, keeping fresh, boy. Ooh, just wait. What? Bro, I think that only works on white gym shoes with like bleach or something. Man, get out of here, you part-time shoppers.